Hey, what is up, everybody? I have so many items to check out, and I just worked a 10.5-hour shift. I'm not going to show you guys everything. I'm going to save the Supreme items I picked up. We'll look at those in the next video, so make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell so you're notified about that next drop. We're going to get into these sneakers first from the Union drop. They were trying to go against all the bots, and you know me, if you've been following it all, I am so anti-bot. I'm really into the collectors, getting the items they want. If you are going to resell, just get one of them and resell it. I'm not all about people sitting on 500 pairs of sneakers and using it as their source of income. Like, come on, you can do something better for the world than being a reseller. But anyways, I was super glad that Abby was home to sign for the package because this one was a signature required, and I'm just gonna break into it right now so we can check out how Union boxed this up and packaged it and whatnot. Right away, you see the Jordan hands. There they are, and we have our receipt, and then the sneakers. Oh man, this box is also very intense. And we got a couple different colors there. This really pastel blue here. We got our Union Jordan logo down there. Yeah, I wanted one of the shirts with these hands on there. After I got the sneakers from the drop, I went back in to try and get a shirt second. I was just in the queue for like an hour and then it shut down. So anyways, if you do hear any noise, Abby is still upstairs working and cooking like you saw. Here's that label. You know you want to see that label, right? I was gonna go after the $250 pair of Jordan 4s, but I really like these Deltas more, just a little bit. Just personally, I'm a dude who does a lot of walking, a lot of running, and just really active. Walking and running shoes are definitely more in my game or in my sphere of I don't know what you call that, but here's our colors again, or that same blue color, that pastel. We got Jordan signing some autographs here on this paper. And then, oh man, there is that yellow soled Delta mid. Oh my goodness. I was thinking it was gonna be more cream. Thought maybe it'd go well with like a cream shirt or cream pants or something. Oh, what do you guys think? You guys like this shirt? I actually painted this. Yeah, I'm an artist. Come on. I enjoy art. That's who I am. Speaking of art, these things have so many different little details about them. In here you have some silver under this black leather piece that has all these holes in it and whatnot, just striped silver printed on top of this red piece. And then you have your cut up tongue. Everybody loves that cut up tongue now all of a sudden. It's just super popular. Oh, look at this. One of the holes they punched out, the foam is still, look at that. One of the hole punches didn't come all the way out at manufacturing. I'm gonna loosen these a little bit. I wanna check out and see how they are on feet, if they're actually gonna fit me. I am a 10.5. Sometimes I can wear a 10, sometimes, normally not. With Nike for sure, I gotta go true to size or size up if I wanna wear thicker socks because they seem to run a little bit smaller. This shoe does look like it is gonna run small, but I'm not sure yet. So let me go ahead. Oh man, yeah, so with this pair, it is kind of true to size, but they are a little bit small, and they do seem like they run a little bit narrow up in the forefoot, but that is fairly common with the Nike shoes. On here over the details at the toe box, you got a couple of leather patches that go up into the lacing structure. You've got this blue little piece of plastic that is reflective. Right next to that you have some numbers 00023, obviously representing Jordan, Jumpman, whatever you want to call the goat, the icon. You have this gray kind of translucent rubber piece is basically guarding the side of your foot, and then this whole yellow sole is probably React. It's a very soft foam. And then going on towards the back, you have again that red piece, and then you have the UN/LA tag on there. Up above that you have your blue midsection that also has a little sewn in section with some perforated or some holes punched in and then some reflective material underneath. Next you have this off-center pull tab on the back, and going across the other side, yeah, there we go. It says React on the sole. My goodness. I mean, I know my foam's kinda, I mean, I've been, testing out shoes a lot. I wear a lot of React, and this really feels like that cushioning. The insole on this shoe, I think it is supposed to be glued down, but mine's not quite glued down, so it's red underneath. You have your Union logo in there, but then it's red underneath this foam, and then there's like this white footbed material, really tough stuff with some holes punched in, a couple of circles. And yeah, it looks like it actually is glued down, so maybe just the back portion isn't, so people can do a legit check and know what to look for. And then going over the tongue, down at the bottom we have 2 red stitched in marks here, and then going up the tongue all the way to the top you have your logo with that 23 in there, and then the Air Jordan logo but just striped out, so it's just blocked out sort of. And then over top of that you have an off-center pull tab for that tongue with that Union text on there. And then on the sole you do have this red Jumpman looking super fly, just, you know, that standard logo that Jordan uses, and then that totally cream yellow color just everywhere on that sole. I don't even know what to call this color. It's pastel yellow would work because it's yellow and white mixed in to make this color. So anyways, that goes over the shoe. Now let's go ahead and I'll throw them on feet. You guys can tell me what you think. And that music there is from my buddy Kenanu. He's a pretty cool guy. Me and him grew up together, super chill. But anyways, warning, I am gonna have a little bit of language in this next part because this shirt has some language on it. If you're not okay with that, then you can definitely stop watching. I mean, you already saw the Union Jordans. I mean, do you need to see this Dime shirt? Is it really that important to you? One funny thing to note, this thing says press firmly to seal, this FedEx box, but then they also taped over both sides. I don't know if that's because it was coming from Canada. Yeah, this actually came from Montreal. I'm really into all these dope skateboard brands that are into making really ethical products and making sure everybody who's involved with it is getting taken care of and is getting paid at least a living wage. I mean, you gotta be able to pay for food and pay for your family and everything. Figure out a way. Oh, what am I doing? I don't even know why I'm doing that. There's actually a pull right here. Maybe I should just, well, maybe I could reuse this box. Let's see. We'll see how it works. See if I can get this to open up and not destroy it. This might not work. Oh wait, here we go. It's starting to come. Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh my goodness. All right, well, opening this box has been a really shitty experience. I'm just gonna tear this. There we go. Yeah, well, just do it that way. I don't know why I didn't do that at first, but anyways, let's get it out of here. Oh, so wait, they sent me a sticker. We got another Dime sticker. I might have to put some Dime or Supreme stickers on my mail vehicle. If my hair is crazy, I just got out of the shower. I mean, I worked all day. I took a shower real quick to make these videos. So anyways, we have our Dime shirt, that TV logo shirt. I really wanted it in the more blue colorway, but I wasn't able to grab it fast enough. I just didn't click quick enough, but I was able to go back in and get the white one. So almost as good. I can basically dye it any color I want, right? I mean, as long as the graphic can handle it, but I don't know if I'll do that. I've been actually grabbing a lot of white shirts just because they have the potential for me to be able to paint them. Only problem is working at USPS, I'm like slaving away like crazy, 60 hours a week, so I have basically no time. Plus, you know, I'm married, so I spend time with my wife, spend time with my family members who live here. And anyways, this plastic, I forgot to tell you, it does have an L sticker down there. Yeah, so I got this in a size large. This is a size medium, a standard size medium that I painted. I got this organic tee, is ethically made at a factory in Mexico, but this Dime shirt was made in the United States. See there on that tag, ethically sourced, I'm sure. What is with that? It says, I know. Okay. All right, there we go. There is no tag on the inside besides that one on the back of the neck. And yeah, look at that graphic. Gotta love it. The best shit ever. Come on, it's Dime. Get yourself a Dime, bro. Get in that TV. It's a cracked screen, and this guy is going inside the TV. Oh man, I couldn't resist. I had to get it. I'm all about breaking the rules and getting away of legalistic stuff where people tell you have to be this certain way or that certain way, and people, we need to be ourselves. So anyways, I'm gonna throw this on and we'll see how this size large fits. All right, yeah, so this shirt does fit a little bit oversized from a regular size large. The width on here is a little bit wider. I'm 6'1", 140 pounds, so I'm a pretty small dude. That's why I'm called the hanger, right? I mean, somebody meant it to be mean and like cut me down, but I took that name, I applied it, and I'm charging for it. I'll probably change it because, I mean, people could think bad things about it. People are gonna interpret shit however they want. Do what you think is right. I mean, but really, we do need to be looking out for each other and not be hating on each other. But anyways, what do you think of that graphic? Got all those colors in there. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Maybe some EE shorts. Do I have any that match? I don't know, maybe. Definitely a great shirt to wear around town. Maybe bring some awareness. People are getting a little bit wrapped up in their televisions and their TV programs. I mean, I should be watching the game right now. Seriously, LeBron is probably tearing it up, or Anthony Davis, I don't know. They're probably working together, I'm sure, with the team. But anyways, before I let you guys go, I want to share some positivity with you. There's this quote that I just keep hearing around as I've been listening to different equality teachings and lectures and whatnot. I heard it again today. I don't remember who said it, but I just wrote it down as I was delivering mail, thinking about it, and I saved it in my notes. I'm gonna read it for you. Nobody should be held back from whatever they can achieve in their life by characteristics in which they have no say. That was just so positive for me to hear. I mean, if you feel like you're held back by a certain thing in your life that you can't change, whether it be your color or your gender or the way you were raised or the parents you were given, I mean, I guess that's the same thing. But whatever you think is holding you back, you just gotta break out of that and realize you can take control of your own life and be your own person. Do those things that your heart desires and that can bring the world into a more peaceful and unified place. With this channel, I'm trying to show you guys all legit items so that we're aware of what items are legit and are actually being sourced ethically, because that is also one of my higher desires, is to make sure that I'm buying ethically sourced items. Nike is doing a lot better with creating ethical items. They still have some factories where their workers are not getting paid quite a living wage, but they've moved away from slave labor from what I'm aware of. There's obviously propaganda out there everywhere bashing anyone and everyone. I mean, me and my wife, we don't have any kids. We have been married since November 2011, so going on strong, a long time, and so we take in foster kids. I get hate all the time for taking in foster kids. I mean, we haven't had any kids since March. We have taken in quite a few over the last 4 years, but anyways, I get hate all the time for that because people try and judge me at face value. They think I'm just in it for the money or for some sort of pleasure. No, I want to help this world in any way that I can, and I have a 2-bedroom house. I want to be able to take in some little kiddos. If God ever blesses me with my own children, I mean, obviously I'll raise them to be loving and kind as best as I can. I mean, my dad was really great at it. He's still working at the same factory he's been at for, I think, 40 years or something like that. Be praying for him. He just went in for some testing today. I'm really hoping that he doesn't have any illnesses or, the big one, cancer. I know he's going to fight through it and he's going to come out on top. He's going to come out strong. He's a fighter just like me. I got that same heart like he does. And so anyways, I love you all. Thanks for praying for me. Thanks for believing in me. Let's go change the world one interaction at a time. Be positive. Peace.